Yo, what up everybody? I went ahead and picked up that little bracket from Toyota. He welded this from, he ran out of gas, welding gas, so that didn't get done right there. Well, he got done, but he got burnt because he ran out of gas over there. But other than that, it's fairly good. What I'm gonna do now is right here, I'm gonna go ahead and notch this out so I could fit the pump in there, and I could drill the both holes for the fuel pump. So get this little tool right here and notch this out, and I'm gonna go from there. See y'all in a second. Alright, so here is the bracket. I came home, I cut this out, and I drilled the 2 holes right there. Came out fairly nice. I don't mind the little dark spot on there. I'm gonna go ahead and wrinkle black this, and then I'll get with you guys in a second. What I almost forgot to do is drill these holes at the bottom to mount it. So I went ahead and drill those out right now. So now let's go wrinkle black it. Probably can't see it too well, but went ahead and wrinkle black it. See how it looks. It looks good. I'm gonna let it sit. I'll finish this video up tomorrow. I did get the holes in there that I needed to get in there. What the hell is it? Oh, somebody got a dirt bike. But they get those holes in there, so I'll let that sit, and tomorrow I'll go ahead and install it. I'm gonna need to pick up some riv nuts so I can go ahead and rivet this to the spot that it goes to inside the car. I'll get that done tomorrow. Now this is the old bracket that I had made originally and bent up and all that. And that's the old one. Man, this was junk, but it worked. I ain't gonna knock it, it worked. But shout out to Toyota, man. He took his time and welded that up for me. You know what I'm saying? I really appreciate it. This one was junk. Here's how it looked all wrinkled black. Came out pretty good. Just wrinkled black, it came out nice. So the holes are in there, mountain plate for the mountain plate. So oh snaps! There goes the wrinkled black. So all I got to do now is get this mounted on this. So I'm gonna go get the riv nuts today, and I'll get that mounted on there. I won't show you guys that, but I'm gonna mount it on the fuel pump and show you guys, and put the fuel pump back in here. Look at the bracket on the pump, looks a lot cleaner. Wrinkle black, it came out really good. Then when I drop this in here like this, bolt that down, that's gonna look nice when I connect up all those hoses. I did drill the hole a little bit off center a bit, but it don't matter. Still came out super clean. Once again, like I said, that bracket right there compared to this bracket right here, look at this. I did make this from scratch though. I needed it at the time, so. And plus it was gonna go underneath the car, so no one would have saw it. So I didn't really care, but when I did it up here, you know what I'm saying, I had to hit up Toyota for him to lace me up with that. But a little bit at a time, a little bit at a time. Old bracket out, new bracket in, and it looks amazing under there, so can't complain.